first time watching, and in today's video, it is our second episode of our Roblox tutorial basic scripting series. We're going to be mainly focusing on object-oriented programming for the first couple episodes. And in this episode, we are going to be expressing that by teaching you how to script Roblox colors in a part. Basically just how to change a Roblox part's color. Alright, so let's get right into it. First, you're going to want to make a part by pressing the add part button, and then you're going to press plus, type script, and add a script to that part. And then once you have a script, we can start. So the first one we shall discuss is, first one we're going to be discussing is going to be brick color. To change the part's color with brick color, first, we're going to use what we learned in the first episode, and we're going to make a variable for our part. I'm just going to name it part, and then here's a little useful tip. You can just call script, and then parent, and then that means this variable is now equal to the script's parent, which is the part. So yeah, now that we have the part value in a variable, just gonna do part, and then you're gonna do dot to be able to access its part's properties, and then you can do part dot brick color. You can just type out half of it and press tab for it to fill. And then this is what you're gonna want to do. You're gonna put equals brick color again, and then you're gonna put dot new, and then you're gonna want to put text quotes, and then you're gonna want to put the name of the color you want the part to change to. For example, you can do red. Has a nice selection of reds. Change it to that color. And now, if we just wait a second and then press run, this part should turn red, or whatever color this is. This looks more orange than red, but whatever. Yeah, so that's how you change the parts. That's how we change the parts color with the first method by using brick color. You type brick color.new, and then you fill up this with the text that equals the name. If you want to color quick snappy color like purple, red, you already know all the colors. You don't want to have to type in vector 3, and this is a good way to do that. Alright, we're going to now show you the vector 3 method. So I'm going to type part dot from, part, and then now that you're going through its properties, you're going to do color, and then color equals color3 dot new. And then there's a bunch you can do new, and then you can just select from here to not have to put the number in manually. You can just select from here and it'll put the number in automatically, and you can also adjust the shading, a couple other values. You can also add custom colors. I know that it's kind of cool. You have some colors you're going to be using a lot. It's my first time noticing that, actually. Yeah, that's how you change. But yeah, anyways, that's how you change the parts color in Roblox Studio by scripting the two methods. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, make sure to leave a like. And if you have any new video suggestions, make sure to leave them in the comments below. And yeah, have a good rest of your day. And also hit the sub button and notifications if you want to see more Roblox scripting tutorials, or if you just want to be locked into the basic scripting series.